Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Brookstone speaker and getting it ready to pair. Charge it to at least half or plug it in so the battery won't drop during setup. Turn the unit on and listen for the startup tone. The LED will show power. Once powered, press and hold the Bluetooth or pair button until the LED flashes or a voice prompt says pairing. This signals the speaker is actively discoverable. Make sure any previous paired devices are off or out of range to avoid conflicts. Now you move to your phone or computer to complete pairing. Open Bluetooth settings and toggle Bluetooth on. It will scan for nearby devices automatically. Look for the Brookstone model name. If you see multiple, choose the one with the strongest signal or the one matching the speaker's label. Tap to connect, and if asked, enter a PIN. Most Brookstone speakers use 0000 or 1234. Once connected, the LED will stop flashing or the speaker will finish by testing audio and adjusting levels. Play a familiar track and make sure the phone's volume and the speaker's volume are both up because muted outputs are the most common issue. If you hear nothing, disconnect and reconnect. Use Forget Device in your Bluetooth list and attempt a fresh pairing. If pairing still fails, reset the speaker by holding power and Bluetooth buttons together until LEDs cycle. This clears previous pairings. If problems persist, check for interference from other Bluetooth devices or restart your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.